continuous integration with Selenium. Welcome back to our channel H2 Kinfoses. Hello again. Today we're discussing continuous integration CI with Selenium. You'll learn how to integrate Selenium tests into a CI pipeline using Jenkins. Let's get started. Setting up Jenkins. First, set up Jenkins. Download and install Jenkins from the official website and set up the necessary plugins for Selenium and Git. Creating a Jenkins job. Next, create a new Jenkins job for running Selenium tests. Configure the job to pull code from your repository and execute your test scripts. Example Jenkins pipeline. Here's an example Jenkins pipeline script. Pipeline. Agent any. Stages. Stage heckout. Steps. Git https://github.com/your-repo/your-project.git. Stage install dependencies. Steps. pip install r requirements.txt. Stage untests. Steps. Chase PyTest tests. Integrating Selenium tests into a CI pipeline ensures your tests run automatically on code changes, improving efficiency and reliability. In our final video, we'll cover test automation frameworks. Subscribe and stay tuned. Test automation frameworks. Welcome to the final video of our QA series. Now we'll discuss test automation frameworks, their importance, and some popular choices. Let's dive in. What is a test automation framework? A test automation framework is a set of guidelines or rules for creating and designing test cases. It provides a structured and efficient way to automate testing tasks. Types of frameworks. Common types of test automation frameworks include linear scripting, simple, sequential scripts. Data-driven separates test logic from test data. Keyword-driven uses keywords to represent actions. Hybrid combines multiple approaches for flexibility. Popular test automation frameworks. Some popular test automation frameworks are Selenium WebDriver for web applications, Appium for mobile applications, Cucumber for behavior-driven development BDD, TestNG for Java applications, providing advanced features. Example with Cucumber. Here's a simple example using Cucumber for BDD. Features /login.feature. Feature login functionality. Scenario successful login. Given I am on the login page when I enter valid credentials, then I should see the dashboard. Step_definitions /login_steps.py. From Selenium import WebDriver. From behave import given when then. Given I am on the login page. Def_step_mpl context. Context.driver_webdriver.chrome. Context.driver.get http://example.com/login. So when enter valid credentials. Def_step_mpl context.driver.find_element_by_name username.send_keys your_username. Context.driver.find_element_by_name password.send_keys your_password keys.return. Then I should see the dashboard. Def_step_mpl context. Insert dashboard in context.driver.title. Context.driver.quit. Test automation frameworks streamline the testing process, making it more efficient and maintainable. That's a wrap for our QA series. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Happy testing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and click the bell icon for more quality content.